Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our analysis for this Monday through Wednesday, August 9 to 11, 2021. And this is for the Philippines and nearby areas of the Western Pacific. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set we issued this afternoon, Monday until tomorrow, Tuesday. We have seen a slight break of the southwest monsoon as the two tropical cyclones, namely Lupit and Mirenay, is already transforming into a extratropical cyclone or a frontal system within the next 24 to 48 hours. And Lupit has just passed over the western and central portions of Japan, bringing some rainfall and winds across the areas. And Mirenay is already in an extratropical cyclone as it moves over the open sea to the east of Japan. So nothing to worry about these systems. We have seen here the trough of the monsoon high above across the Korean peninsula and all the way over central China. The southwest monsoon has begun to weaken, but still bring some breezy conditions and passing rain showers and thunderstorms across extreme northern Luzon, particularly Batanes and Babueng Cubao Islands, and the offshore areas of Ilocos provinces. While there's also some thunderstorms that may develop within the central and northern Luzon area. These are all convective related, especially in the afternoon or evening due to extreme heat index reaching around 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. So there might be some developing thunderstorms over these areas. While on the southern and central portions of the Philippine Islands, we have a different story. The LPA, the shallow one, which entered the Philippine Area of Responsibility last weekend, is now being tagged as 92W. It's still a moderate LPA, and it's now trying to organize as it moves towards the open waters of the Philippine Sea on a northwest to north-northwest direction based on the computer model forecast. And it has a lesser chances of becoming a tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours. So the extension of the trough will bring cloudy skies with scattered to widespread rain showers and thunderstorms across Mindanao, Sulu Archipelago, Mimaropa, Visayas, and the Bicol region. So for the past days, 1 up to 2 weeks of non-occurring heavy thunderstorms, the Bicol region has experienced some heavy thunderstorms during the past 6 hours. But usually these thunderstorms only lasted for an hour or two. But tomorrow or early morning, there might be also continuous isolated scattered rain showers and thunderstorms because of the trough of 92W, which is expected not to directly affect any part of the country as it moves towards the general direction of the southern islands of Japan. So far that's the weather system that is currently affecting much of the Visayas, Bicol, and Mindanao for the past 48 hours since yesterday, Sunday. And this will lessen the high heat index that we are experiencing for the past 2 days here in Bicol and areas of Visayas and Mindanao. So so the location of this LPA is around 2 p.m. As of now, it's starting to move towards the northwest. Here's the latest fast animation from University of Wisconsin. As you can see here, the development of this LPA is not yet fully organized as it moves slowly towards the northwest. And right now, it's already to the east of the Bicol region, far away from the landmass of Bicol, but the trough will continue to bring cloudy skies with isolated to scattered to sometimes widespread rain showers and thunderstorms. And you can also clearly see here the two tropical cyclones, Lupit and Mirenay, already transforming into an extratropical cyclone while the former Nida has already become an extratropical cyclone since yesterday. So far, if we check our latest windy.com zoom in satellite animation, you can observe here lots of thunderstorms from 4 p.m. up to 10 p.m. this evening, enveloping large areas of Visayas, Mindanao, and Bicol region. But these are scattered to isolated to scattered ones. So expect in some areas there will be rain, but in other areas it's only cloudy, and also some localized thunderstorms over the portions of central and northern Luzon. Now here's the latest 3-day rainfall accumulation forecast until Wednesday. As you can see here, this violet area of northern Luzon, which includes CAR and Ilocos region, are due to developing thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon or evening. But the coastal areas is still the last of the effects of the southwest monsoon before it will move into wake. Okay, and here over the Bicol region, portions of the Bicol region, Visayas, we could still see the trough of LPA 92W. So 92W is somewhere here and expected to move towards the northwest for the next couple of days. And as we look at the wind forecast from the European model for the next 24 hours, tomorrow afternoon, the LPA will be to the east of northern Luzon, and on Wednesday it will be quickly moving into the east of Taiwan. But so far the southwest monsoon is weak, not strong enough, but the trough of this LPA will continue to affect Bicol region, portions of eastern Luzon in the next couple of days. Okay, so far that's the latest for this Monday evening until Wednesday, and we'll be returning again on Wednesday to give you more update on the weather situation across the Philippine Islands. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.